are back with another video for you guys, and it's gonna be another banger, a cookie banger.
Y'all, we're doing cookie with the
twins.
Cookie with the twins. I was about to say M.E. twins. No, cookie with the twins.
So guess what we're making today, you guys? We're making Rotel dip.
We're making Rotel.
So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients and everything. This is gonna be my first time making Rotel dip. I've been wanting to do this for the longest.
We was gonna do it at home, but we're doing it at Kiana's college.
Don't tell nobody.
Right. We're not supposed to be doing it once again.
So we're just gonna take you guys on the journey of cooking Rotel. So I looked up ingredients or whatever, and I think I want to do it with rice.
You want to do it with rice?
Yes, I believe it was Spanish rice. That's why I bought it. So I'm gonna try it.
Okay, we need to try something new.
Hopefully it's good.
Yeah, it better be good because I'm hungry.
Me too. Okay,
but we're gonna meet you in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen right now. Well, the kitchenette, because there's no stove in here. But before we get into this video, you guys, go like, share, and subscribe. Go turn on post notifications for us. Please do. If you want to see more videos from us, the M.E. twins. Kiana, you're not even paying them no attention. That's crazy. But yeah, go turn on them post notifications. Comment down below what y'all liked about this video. What was funny about this video. Just comment and put some sparkle hearts in the crowd for me down below. What about you, sis?
Purple hearts.
Don't comment. And if y'all want me to prank Kiana McGee, let me know.
Girl,
I got y'all.
Do it. Be bad.
I am gonna be bad. So Kiana said we're not making the Spanish rice no more because we don't have any butter.
And no, it's not about that. It's just that I didn't see no recipe or none of that.
But I thought you was gonna
I don't have no butter, so I'm gonna have to use this for the spray thing. But y'all, it is what it is. It's gonna do.
She gonna fine.
She just put a water in. Yeah, because she didn't do it for her day.
Girl, it don't matter.
It don't matter.
So y'all, I put the spray butter thing in the pot. I just need butter so it cannot stick. And now I'm about to put the meat in. I can't wait to season it. It's from Publix. Oh, I wash my hands, so yeah. You should record it.
Nah.
Let me season the meat.
No.
I
said I wanted to make it. I bought this food.
Okay, but you always cook at college and I don't.
Okay. That don't got nothing to do with it. She got everything, y'all.
What you talking about?
You got a thing like this.
Yeah, but I'm scared because everybody was setting off the doors. Cooking a little bit.
Yep.
A little smoke and it set off the doors. I'm scared.
I don't know what you want me to do. Dang, it's already...
I can't do nothing. You want to cook up? Oh my goodness.
Do it then. She gonna open up this Rotel dip.
Smell good.
This is the hot, spicy one.
I know I smell. I was like, is that spicy?
Yes,
but I didn't want to say
yes, ma'am. Let me smell.
It smells good.
Okay. She don't want to cut up the onions so bad, y'all.
Girl, you want to open the seeds too?
You can wait. You can wait. But this is her cutting the onions. Yeah. Hopefully she cut them right.
I don't know how to cut them, but it's just gonna be the best that I can cut them. I forgot how my mama told us to cut them.
It's sure not like that though.
I know they fell apart.
You won't have to cut it real good, cause
I know.
Okay.
Somebody trying to act like trying to teach me how to. No, I'm just saying.
I don't want my stuff to be something.
You can taste onions in your food. Ah. I love onions.
This is me cooking onions. This is Dee Dee cutting up the onion.
Oh, my ass hurt.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
I should have cut the onion. I'm just gonna these the seasonings. I'm about to grab them.
You right, you should have cut the onion.
I just put some salt in there. I'm gonna put a little more. This is salt. And then I'm about to put some black pepper. You know. Because I want to. I don't really cook with this one. So I'm gonna put some in there. I don't wanna over season right now because I'm gonna season it some more. That was garlic powder. About to do onion powder. Although, if you put seasoned salt on your meat, you don't have to put salt on it. Everybody keeps saying it. But I like to put seasoned salt and salt on my stuff. To make sure. Because I feel like seasoned salt is a different type of. And then now, my favorite thing, slap your mama. You gotta put this on the food. Got to. Now I'm about to. So I put onions in here, cut it up. Dee Dee cut them up. Or whatever. And it's just gonna be chopped up like that. Girl. It's just gonna be chopped up like that.
You seasoned the food?
You seasoned it? Yes, I did season it. I'm seasoning it in a minute. Can I season it? Not that much, but yeah. We still gotta get brown. I gotta turn it back on.
I'm not putting no onion powder on that.
You season it, right? I hope it's not being over seasoned. Cause you don't know if I season it good. Is it open? Oh, Deanna.
It was open, but it wasn't coming out while you talking.
Your butt is out of this. She want to cook so bad.
No. I don't cook for my food, and it's the only time.
But you don't want to cook at home. So please let me.
But I want to cook now.
Please help me understand.
Now pour the Rotel.
Please help me understand. She don't ever want to cook at home, but now she want to cook. Cause you want to do it so bad.
Yes.
It's my food. Let me see it.
No, you didn't put me in it.
I did. See? Y'all think I should put some more Rotel in it?
We'll see.
But this hot. I think we gotta put some more in it.
Me too.
Wait, this is good enough, right?
Yeah.
I think a little bit more though.
But don't open it.
Why? Because I'm not gonna use it.
Yeah, you're not gonna use it. Erase it.
Let me go see how it is in the thing. That's good, right? Let me do the cheese. Y'all, she about to put in another one. Cause the other girl had a bigger one. You struggling? No, I'm not. And I heard you're not supposed to open them like this anyway. Me too. I forgot how to open it though. It's like this. Oh yeah. Come on, I'm hungry. Don't try new things now. That should be it. Right. Let me put the cheese in here. Oops. Kiana, you act like nobody make mistakes. I'm carrying the holding the thing too. Hold this one.
I'm about to get the spoon.
Yeah, that's smart. You put some more cheese in it. Oops. Can I get a small spoon? Put up. I want to cut myself. We need every lot of cheese because we like cheese over here. You got some more cheese? That's the only one. Now what you about to do? Can I stir something too? Because that's what makes the Rotel. The cheese is what makes the Rotel, and it's my Rotel. I mean, it's our Rotel. This is how it's looking. It's looking good. Our first Rotel. Can't wait. I just want to put this in my bag of chips. But I'm going to just eat it normally, how everybody do it. The only thing we did was put some onions in it because we like onions. We would have did hot peppers on top, but we don't have them. So yeah, this is the seasoning we use. And we're just cleaning up after. So can't wait to try it. Hey you guys, we're back. And this is the finished product. Y'all seen it in the stove. So now we're going to try it.
This looks nasty.
Girl, you're a hater. You ready? Oops. It's hot. I was about to put it in my mouth too.
It's decent. Just need some jalapeno peppers.
And
I actually got, can I try with spicy chips?
let me try it with a regular chip. Well, my bad. We eat too much.
Yeah, we eat too much.
It's good.
No. Get jalapeno peppers. But this is good. I'll do it again with the rate.
And what? Spicy stuff.
What's the rate of the food?
10 out of 10. No, 9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 out of 10. I like spicy stuff.
Yeah. Them tomatoes.
But if you don't like spicy stuff, then it's a 10 out of 10. And I'm going to try different chips with it.
Me too. Girl, I'm just going in.
Well,
Like,
share, subscribe, and always have your candle hot. Don't let it fall. Be me with just